In the middle of a fierce snowstorm, a tiny kitten was lost, its tiny body trembling in the cold. Just when it seemed like all hope was gone, Floppy, a courageous rabbit with soft, fluffy fur, appeared. Floppy didn't hesitate. He gently nudged the kitten onto his back and started hopping through the thick snow, fighting against the freezing winds. Each jump was a struggle, but the rabbit pushed on, determined to save the kitten. After what felt like forever, Floppy finally found shelter in a warm burrow. The kitten, now safe and warm, purred with relief. Floppy, the little hero, had saved the day. Moral: no matter how small you are, your actions can make a big difference. Like, follow, and subscribe for more heartwarming tales.